Hello YouTube, this is Cars here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install interior LED lights in a BMW 3 Series E46. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find a way in from the engine bay into the interior. So the best way to do this on a BMW is there's usually this empty area right here. Take this grommet out from right here. Take that grommet out from here, remove it, and then I have routed this wire in there. It's a thick hanger wire, and I routed it in there so I could see where it goes into the interior. So hold on one second. As you can see, the interior has the wire hanging right through it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to tie a wire to that piece and pull the wire through. Alright, now that I've wrapped the wire around, like so, I wrap the wire around the wire. I'm going to pull it through, like so. There it is, as you can see. It is coming through the grommet space. And now all we're going to do is we're going to attach this to the parking lot. Alright, I fed the wire through. Put it down through here. So far what I've done is I've removed the side marker. I've removed the light bulb. And all I've done so far is I've cut through the wires. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these wires and just literally wrap it. Hook it around here like this. Do a twist tie motion. Alright YouTube, so I just finished wrapping the wires around, as you can see. All I did was solder into the wires, and then these wires lead from there, as you can see. All the way along here, tucked into that cubby hole right there. So after I've done that, the only thing left to do is to attach the LEDs. Alright, I've attached the LEDs to underneath the dashboard using double-sided tape, and I've untied the wires like so. And what I've done is I've taken the wire from the dashboard, from inside the hood, inside the engine area, and brought it inside the interior. Now all I have to do is just get a good amount of wire and cut it. I'll cut the wires real quick. Alright. Now this is the wire that you have to cut. Let's get rid of this. Now you have to strip the wire in order to reveal the copper side. Give me one moment. Now that I've stripped both wires from the LED and this, we have to just connect. So I'll put this back here. I'm tying the LEDs together. The LEDs have been suspended. All you have to do is tuck these wires behind any area you can find in your car. Okay, I've tucked the LEDs behind this area right here. And now what we're going to do is, in order to get the other footwell to light up with LEDs, we have to take this wire and we have to feed it through the dashboard. The way we're going to do this is we're going to use this, a piece of hanger. What you're going to do is simply feed this through to the other side until you are able to reach it. Alright? Now you're going to grab the hanger from inside here and you're going to pull. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to pull this hanger that I've fed through from the other side. This is going to act as our pull. So now what we do is go to the other side. We create a little loop here. We tie our wire around this. Now we make sure that we loop it so that the wire doesn't come falling out. Now what you do is you stuff it in all the way and you make sure that the wire gets in too, so that there's no jam. Now you go to the other side and you simply pull the wire through. And there it is. Now that you've fed the wire through, you can simply connect the LEDs that are already sticking to underneath your dashboard with the double-sided tape. And then you are able to light up both your footwells. After you have connected the wire coming from the dash, and you have connected both LED wires, like so, all you have to do now is test it. So you turn the lights on. As you can see, both footwells are eliminated. Now, I can show you that the wires have been connected properly. All you have to do is solder them and connect electrical tape, wrap electrical tape around the wiring, and then just hide it behind this panel right here, and then you're good to go. Your interior LEDs are fully functioning. Thanks for watching, YouTube. If you have any questions, please email me. Thank you.